What's up, guys? That's right, we are back again to talk about the Ford Lightning, and we have already made some changes on this. And just like you guys voted, we went ahead and put an exhaust on it. So let's talk about those mods right now. Before I show you guys the exhaust, let's go ahead and check out these badges that I went ahead and put on. Ford Performance, got them on eBay, was a good steal. Stole them and put them on. Very easy, clean, flush, made the truck look 10 times better just by those 4 badges. And if you haven't watched my other videos, we went ahead and added the covers on the mirrors and we added the covers on the door handles. So far everything's been holding up just right. Now if you notice, if we come around here to the back, if you haven't seen my short, I did post that we got the exhaust, but as you can see when you look here in the back, it doesn't look like anything has changed. And there is a reason for that. One of the reasons is this is supposed to be my sleeper truck. I don't want it to sound too loud, but I also want to hear a little bit of a rumble. I don't want to have that drone inside the cab. And I didn't want to go with a Corsa exhaust, didn't want to go with any shorties in front of that rear tire. The way these Whipples are designed is, it says inside the directions not to install a short exhaust. Not sure why, but anyway, let's go ahead and jump down underneath the truck. And I was going to show you exactly what we did. So as you can see, we got the Magnaflow muffler installed. It turned out really nice. Was going to go with the Flowmaster, but they said the Flowmaster is going to be a little bit louder. This one has a nice performance sound to it. It does open it up a lot more. It sounds really good. We'll go ahead and start it up here in just a second, let you listen to it. Now, since we do have some restrictions still on this truck, you're not going to be able to get it opened up all the way. Got a nice little rumble to it. I would take it down for a road and let you guys listen to it, but right now these love bugs are bad. They are bad right now. So just got done washing the Infiniti, about to wash the Jeep, and I want to show you guys what we are about to do next. So check out some of these parts that we're about to put on the truck, and you're going to see that in the next video. We got the Ride Tech sway bar that we're going to be installing, and then we also have the Vast suspension track bar. We're going to go ahead and jump and put that thing on here, and you're going to see how it's going to perform, and hopefully it's going to handle a lot better with this lowering kit. Just to show you guys real quick what I've been dealing with. And I apologize for the chaos right now, but you can see the love bugs are all over. Took a trip down to Miami and had to wash the Infiniti, get those love bugs off this baby. And now we got to get them off the Jeep. But also, we're going to be talking about the Ram here pretty soon. The Ram just got out of the shop. And we'll be talking to you guys about what we had to do on the Ram. And just to show you guys, it's been a little bland over here on the lanai, but we're waiting on some couple more things. Waiting on our pump, waiting on our Belltech, and we'll be having some water here pretty soon in the pool. Pretty soon, is I want to go ahead and do the coilovers. I like the stance, but I want to go lower. Got to get that rear down. I don't like how it has that little bit, you know, suspension lift up on the rear. You know, I'm debating on what I want to do, what kind of coilovers I want to put on there. As far as I've seen, you only get the front coilover adjustables. What can I do on the rear? Comment below. We're also going to get these rear bumpers painted, and we're going to get the front bumper painted, and we got to get that new grill. I'm looking to see what I want to do, 2-piece front grille or just paint the whole thing and go black glossy. Not sure what I want to do on there. But one of the things I noticed on one of my videos, I got a lot of comments about this old shorty antenna. Found this on eBay. Check out my other videos if you want to see. There's a link listed below. That was a banger right there. Looks so clean, and I'm super impressed how it turned out. You can barely even see that antenna was ever there. My next big job probably going to be on this truck is I want to go ahead and switch out these wheels for some weld wheels. The Laguna Racing, I'm trying to get into all black, can't find it. What's you guys' opinion on if I went ahead and got the wheels, powder coated them, and threw them on there? Should I do the 22s? Should I do the 20s? Or should I do the 17s? Let me know, I appreciate it. That's what we got so far on the Ford Lightning. Nice short and sweet video. Once these love bugs are gone, we're gonna run this truck. We're gonna take it down to the track, see what this thing gets on the time. But right now, I'm not going to worry about getting any time set up on this truck because we still got quite a few mods that need to get it ready and make sure that we don't just show up out there and look like a fool. We want to make sure that we are ready to go. So right now, this is just a street truck. We want to go ahead and get it ready for the track. But besides that, I hope you guys enjoyed this short video. We do appreciate you guys watching. And don't forget, if you haven't, check out the merch link down below. Buy you some merch, support the channel, and we'll see you on the next one.